At the core of every cell lies a powerhouse that quietly drives life itself, the mitochondrion. These tiny organelles are responsible for producing the vast majority of the body's energy in the form of ADP, adenosine triphosphate, powering everything from muscle movement to memory formation. Yet as we age, mitochondrial function steadily declines, leading to reduced energy, increased oxidative stress, and a breakdown in cellular repair systems. This deterioration is now recognized not just as a symptom of aging, but as one of its root causes, placing mitochondrial health at the forefront of longevity science. When mitochondria falter, the effects ripple across the entire body. On a daily level, individuals may experience persistent fatigue, decreased exercise tolerance, brain fog, and slower recovery from illness or injury. On a deeper biological level, impaired mitochondria produce more free radicals, damage cellular DNA, and trigger chronic inflammation, all hallmarks of aging and major contributors to diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular decline. Because mitochondria also regulate apoptosis, or programmed cell death, their dysfunction can lead to either premature cell loss or uncontrolled proliferation, both of which undermine tissue health. Thankfully, mitochondria are not static. They are dynamic, constantly undergoing processes of fusion, fission, biogenesis, and removal of damaged parts through a quality control mechanism known as mitophagy. These processes can be supported and even rejuvenated through a growing list of interventions designed to enhance mitochondrial resilience, increase energy output, and slow biological aging. One of the most promising strategies is the activation of AMPK and SIRT1 pathways, key metabolic sensors that regulate mitochondrial health, often stimulated by exercise, intermittent fasting, or specific compounds such as resveratrol, quercetin, and berberine. Another powerful ally in mitochondrial care is NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a coenzyme that declines sharply with age. NAD+ is essential for energy production and for activating sirtuins, the longevity proteins involved in DNA repair, inflammation control, and mitochondrial biogenesis. Supplementing with NAD+ precursors like NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NR, nicotinamide riboside, has been shown in animal models and early human trials to restore NAD+ levels, improve endurance, enhance cognitive function, and even extend lifespan under certain conditions. Diet and lifestyle choices also play a fundamental role. Regular aerobic exercise is one of the most effective ways to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis and improve function, particularly in muscles and the brain. Nutritional strategies that emphasize whole foods, healthy fats, and antioxidants help protect mitochondria from oxidative damage. Compounds like coenzyme Q10, alpha-lipoic acid, and acetyl-L-carnitine can support mitochondrial energy production directly, while polyphenol from green tea, blueberries, and turmeric offer indirect protection by activating protective signaling pathways. Even sleep and stress management are mitochondrial factors. Deep, restorative sleep promotes mitochondrial repair and reduces the oxidative load on the brain, while chronic stress increases cortisol and inflammation, which degrade mitochondrial efficiency. Exposure to environmental toxins, sedentary behavior, and poor diet, on the other hand, accelerate mitochondrial aging and reduce cellular energy output, creating a cycle of decline that worsens over time unless actively addressed. As mitochondrial science advances, we are beginning to understand that aging is not merely a matter of years, but of energy. Cells that lose the ability to produce and manage energy efficiently become dysfunctional, while those with robust mitochondrial function can continue to regenerate, repair, and communicate effectively. Supporting mitochondria, therefore, is not simply about avoiding disease, it's about optimizing performance, clarity, and vitality at any age. In the growing toolkit of longevity strategies, maintaining mitochondrial health is emerging as one of the most actionable and rewarding approaches. By targeting the source of cellular power, we give ourselves the potential not only to slow aging but to enhance the quality of life in ways that are both measurable and deeply felt, from sharper cognition and stronger muscles to more resilient immunity and emotional balance. Mitochondria may be microscopic, but their influence on our health and lifespan is massive and well worth preserving.